Well, folks, this is officially the first week of spring. It's also going to be a very busy one as well, especially across the Golden Triangle. Notice that we're going to have some temperatures are going to slightly drop just a little bit as we have a cold front that's coming in later this evening. But that's also going to lead to a very dry Thursday and Friday. But then the big question is, are we going to have a stormy weekend ahead of us? But we have more of that coming up later on in the forecast. But for right now, across the MSU campus, notice that it's mostly cloudy. We have a little bit of sunshine that's kind of peeking through at the moment. Right now, we're sitting at 77 degrees. Dew point's kind of hanging around at 57 with some slight gusty winds coming out of the west-southwest at 9 miles per hour. As far as our temperatures across the Magnolia State, mostly we're sitting right in the mid to the upper 70s with 75 in Tunica. Also the warmest being 81 in Jackson. We're kind of sitting right in the upper 70s to mid 70s right along the Highway 45 corridor. And also across the southeastern region, the warmest being 81 in Fort Smith, 81 in Shreveport, 81 degrees in Jackson, with the coolest being 69 over in Huntsville. So across the southeastern region, we're still kind of seeing those warm temperatures, but they may kind of change just a little bit as we have a little cold front that's going to come through. Notice as we have these low cloud cover kind of stretching across central Mississippi. Can't necessarily see it, but it's very sort of a linear line that shows very evidence that we have a cold front that's coming through with a little bit of shower activity up in the upper Tennessee Valley. Also, Futurecast picks it up as well, so we may have a little bit of shower activity. They may kind of peak in the central Mississippi, but then as we get into tomorrow, most of that's going to clear on out. But then as we get into Friday, we have another system that's coming in, and notice that we have a lot of cloud cover that's going to continue to build up to our west of us. And speaking of that system, for Saturday into Saturday night, there could be a possibility that we could have strong to severe storms across the region, mainly because of the ample amount of moisture that's coming in from the south that's going to feed into the area of low pressure that's going to settle into the upper Tennessee Valley. So with the ample moisture coming in and also the low pressure system kind of coming in and mixing together, those conditions could equal possibility once again of strong to severe storms across the area. Also, we have some flood warnings that have been issued from the National Weather Service in Memphis and in Jackson, mainly for counties along the Mississippi River, and that is because of a lot of rain activity and also some late snow melting that's going on upstream in the Ohio Valley. And also we have a couple of wind advisories across central Mississippi and also central Alabama, because most of our wind gusts are starting to look between 15 to 30 miles an hour. So for tonight, we're going to get down to about 50 degrees. Notice this is at least a 10 to 15 degree drop from some of the nighttime lows that we've been experiencing the past couple of days. What a partly cloudy skies. But then for tomorrow, we're going to top out to 69 degrees. It's going to be slightly cooler, plenty of sunshine, but notice it's a little bit cooler than it has been because past couple of days we've been touching at about 80 degrees. And so for your next 5-day forecast, Thursday and Friday is looking pretty good as we're going to continue to have ample amount of sunshine as we're going to get right up into the 70-degree mark. But then by Saturday, watch out because that next system is going to come in, and by Saturday evening it's going to kind of pick up, but definitely we're going to change from some showers to possible thunderstorms for Sunday, and some of those showers may continue to Monday as we get up to a high of 72. This has been your Campus Connect forecast. Make it a good one.